Digitalisierung klingt immer.
Digitalization always sounds big at first. Many steps are required, and above all, the first step needs to be taken. And that's exactly where we already have a certain degree of experience, where the Siemens service experts can advise on the direction in which to start and the steps that need to be taken one after the other.
We have to clean the hype versus the reality. We have to clear the noise and show the direction what exactly digitalization brings benefit to the customer.
Siemens makes products available for digitalization and can also provide the services of experts with extensive know-how to help customers with their digital transformation. This happens in 3 steps: consulting, implementation, and optimization.
Siemens has a very unique combination that includes automation technology based on hardware and software, plus domain know-how expert. And we also have the service experts that implement this solution completely.
In the end, as a customer, I can increase my overall system effectiveness, which means I can increase availability, improve quality, and increase performance. Predictive Services comprise 3 modules: assessment, connectivity, and analytics. In the assessment module, we assess the customer situation on-site, check which hardware is already in place, what's still necessary, and which hardware and software needs to be installed. Finally, we create an implementation plan. Then we put this plan into action in the connectivity module. This means that we install the necessary hardware and software and connect the customer's plant to edge or cloud systems as required. It is the analytics module where we achieve the actual added value for the customer. We use AI technologies to extract information from the data to optimize the plants.
With Predictive Services for electronics, we use AI-based applications that evaluate and process machine data to generate value for the customer. This value could be anomaly detection, prediction of failures in advance to improve the efficiency of the manufacturing lines.
In
automobile production, for instance, maintenance staff are used to working in a particular way. Parts are exchanged and replaced, even though it might not yet be necessary. So there's still considerable savings potential that could be leveraged much more efficiently, with the relevant data being collected and evaluated.
Food and beverage is really diversified, yeah? So you have dairy, you have edible oil, you have bakery, you have confectionery. So we have service experts who can gather the information of different plants and can offer the right solution at the right point of time.
On the one hand, many customers have not yet embarked on digitalization. On the other hand, though, the requirements for future digitalization solutions are already increasing. Here too, Siemens is providing support by combining technologies, machine learning technologies with augmented reality, for instance, to create augmented intelligence.
My vision as a service expert is to keep pushing AI to help our customer use their existing resources in the most efficient way.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.